Okay, everyone, this is video 2.2, and we've just learned a bit of information about how to enter formulas into a spreadsheet in the text of the module. And I want to demonstrate what we just did in the module here live in a video. So I'm going to input the headings for modeling the savings, Nathan's savings. I've got the weeks and the savings, and I'm going to put week 0 into cell A2. That's the initial condition. That is the week in which Nathan has some money given to him, but he has not received any kind of an allowance yet. Now I'm going to put my cursor into cell A3. Just click on cell A3. And as noted already, you can signal to Excel that you're entering a formula by putting an equal sign into that cell. And I want to add 1 to the weeks because the weeks increase by 1. And in order to do that, I will want to add 1 to the 0 that is above cell A3. So I'm going to select cell A2 and add 1 to the contents of that cell, equals A2 plus 1. When I hit return, you can see that the number 1 appears in the cell. It is very important to note that even though the number 1 is appearing in the cell, the formula bar continues to display the formula right up here. It still says equal A2 plus 1, even though just the number is showing here. So you've always got the underlying formula for the contents of your cell. Now I want to generate more than one week. That is the whole point of introducing this technology. So put your cursor in cell A3 where your formula is, and move the cursor to the lower right-hand side of cell A3 until it turns into a black cross. Hold your mouse down and just drag down that column. I'm going to drag down to row 11, and I've just generated weeks 0 through 9 by simply dragging. Please notice that the formulas underlying each of these cells is still appearing inside your formula bar, even though the numbers are all that appear inside the cells. So right here, when you're in cell A7, that's week 5 of Nathan's savings, and you can see that the formula here is equals A6 plus 1. You can see that in the formula bar. If you want another way to see the formula is you can, right here while I'm in cell A7, double click in that cell and you can see that the formula appears, equals A6 plus 1. We're adding 1 to the contents of cell A6. Hit return, you get your number back. There's one other little trick for seeing formulas, and that is, suppose I want to see all of the formulas on the spreadsheet. On your keypad, there's a key called Control and another key that contains the symbol tilde. Hit Control tilde, and when you do that, the entire spreadsheet will display all of the formulas that are underlying the cells. Usually when you do this, it helps to adjust because the formatting gets a little screwy, but you can adjust and then you've got all your formulas showing. If you want to go back to the numbers, again, hit Control tilde, and you'll go right back to the numbers. Let me adjust the formatting so you can easily see the weeks, and you go back to the numbers. So Control tilde enables you to straddle between formulas and between numbers on your spreadsheet. Okay, let's end that now. Make sure that you get some practice with that, that you're comfortable with doing that before we continue.